First, before performing the new configuration, clear the original detection configuration in the device to ensure the initialization state. Enter Wizard. Select the corresponding detection mode, FMC-TFM. Tap Start Wizard. Enter Workpiece module. Set the correct workpiece height, such as 20 mm. The weld model is set according to the actual parameters, and there is no need to make a selection without welds. Material selected by actual, as ordinary steel. Into probe/wedge. Probe/wedge according to actual selection or custom, no wedge selection, direct contact. Into TFM setting. Select the appropriate focusing mode, like TT. Set the size of the aperture, like 5L32 probe, set to 32. Set focus range. With the left-hand model view, the focus area adjusts to cover the weld primary and secondary echo areas, adjusting the horizontal offset value. Step bias can be set according to the coverage area. Enter scan settings. Encoder resolution and scan length can be input to facilitate recording of scan data. If there is no encoder, this step can be skipped. Choose a suitable view layout to facilitate data acquisition. Enter calibration module. The TCG can be calibrated as well as the encoder. Tap TCG calibration. 3 reflectors of different depths are selected here for example illustration. 10 mm, 20 mm, and 30 mm. Adjust the gate to box the reflector signal at the first depth. Clear envelope. The probe is moved left and right to collect the amplitude of the wave at different positions of the point, and by adjusting the gain, the overall amplitude reaches about 80%. The same is true of points 2 and 3. After the calibration is finished, click Accept to complete the calibration of TCG. Encoder calibration, performed without knowing the encoder resolution. Set a target length, tap Reset. Let the encoder walk over the target length distance. Click on Calibration to get the calibration value. Accepting this calibration value completes the calibration. Then adjust the gate so that the gate frame selects the secondary echo coverage area of the weld. When using the longitudinal wave focusing mode, the gate frame selects the primary echo coverage area. Enter Standard module. By observing the signal amplitude of the S-scan view. Available in the gain bar, open the reference gain. Increases some sensitivity gain or coupling compensation gain. Adjustments may also be made to the software gain. Click Finish to complete the entire process production. From the main menu to the law of focus. In General Settings, open the Smooth switch and adjust the PRF to the maximum or customize it to the maximum without artifact influence. Entering the scanning phase. Tap Reset. Start moving the encoder at a constant speed, and collect the data. After the scan, click the Freeze button. Drag the scan cursor to view the current data. Tap Save Data. Rename and save the corresponding files. Now add a new group, select PWI-TFM for detection mode, copy the practice of the first group. Start Wizard. Set the corresponding parameters of the workpiece. The weld model is set according to the actual parameters, and there is no need to make a selection without welds. Material selected according to actual, as an ordinary steel. In the Focus Law module. Set suitable start, stop angles, and angle steps. Other steps are consistent with FMC-TFM settings. In Standard module. Make curves. 3 transfers through holes of different depths were selected as examples. 10 mm, 20 mm, 30 mm. Adjust and move the gate to frame 3 hole echoes of different depths in sequence. Add a point per click. Complete the production of manual TCG. Available in the gain bar, open the reference gain. Increases some sensitivity gain or coupling compensation gain. Adjustments to software gain are also available. Click Finish to complete the entire process production. Entering the scanning phase. Place probe and scanner positions. In the TFM general setting of the focusing rule, adjust the PRF value. Tap Reset. Push the scanner at a constant speed. The scan is over and the data is frozen. Finally, the corresponding files can be saved.